Hey friends, oh my gosh, my Instant Pot went haywire. So my husband is gonna fix it. So let's keep our fingers crossed that this will get fixed. Okay, let me drag you along with me. Okay, first thing we're gonna need is that little hex thing, but it looks like this. They have different ones. Let's see if I can get this. Nope, can we not get this? Oh man, seriously? No. Okay, now you can see what it's supposed to look like. Okay, there you go. That's what it looks like. Okay, so when I grab the tail, you can see it looks like this. And it was only one, so it's right there. I just took it off. So that should turn. Let's see if it will. Okay, friends, so this is what it looks like. Crazy. Ooh, audio. Okay, here's the man. He's done with work. Now it's time to fix my Instant Pot. So
here goes nothing.
Yeah. So my thing is, I want to make my yogurts, and the temperature doesn't regulate. I can't do my 100 or 109 or 115 or 104. It's crazy. So let's see if this is going to work. So he got the deal that's in his left hand, and he's got to switch it out. So let's see if this is what it is. If it needs a motherboard, we'll shoot.
I think it's a pressure sensor is what this is.
Yeah, I think it is too. I'm just really praying that this works. If not, then it's the motherboard, and I'm gonna have to.
These are like 2 for $8, so I saw a 4-pack for $11, so I figured we'd get lots of spares.
Yeah, because we're gonna have an Instant Pot for a while. I mean, these are neat gadgets. You make your meal, you can do your yogurt, life is good.
So you just remove the one screw. But of course there's a few screws to remove the bottom plate of this thing, but...
So far, is it easy?
Yeah, very simple. If I can just get this screw to slip into my hand instead of falling at the bottom of this, which I think it really wants to do.
Okay. Yeah, those little screws can be slippery boogers, huh? Uh-oh.
Okay. Yeah, for this you need some good little needle nose pliers.
There's a certain way it goes in, huh?
Yep.
Oh, there you go. I heard it snap.
Connected.
Awesome.
Pressure sensor is under pressurized or over pressurized. Follow this procedure to adjust the pressure sensor. use a spudger to pry away the white adhesive covering the high pressure sensor calibration screw.
Oh, is that what these are?
Maybe.
Well, no, there's nothing else like that, so let's just try that.
There's little screws. This almost looks like screws too.
Oh.
On the other underneath of it with a little something over it.
Oh.
Pry away the white adhesive covering the high pressure. Maybe they're talking about that, which is that.
Mm-hmm.
Let's review.
Okay, putting the lid back on.
Yeah, we're not going to adjust this little pressure switch screw. I want to see how it behaves without any adjustments to just see if it was really related to this little sensor before we start messing around with other things.
Okay, so my question is, will this work? Keep our fingers crossed. Fingers crossed, friends. Okay, friends, so bottom was on. I went ahead and did the trivet, the water, and put the little bowl in there and put water in it, and I just put it on 106. I have my temperature gauge there, a little thermometer, so just waiting to see it if it goes to temp and what it's gonna be. So stand by. Oh wait, okay, look at this, 106, friends, he did it. Woohoo! Oh, that one says, 106. Yay! You did it, friend. You did it. We did it. We fixed it. Woohoo! I'm excited. I can make more yogurt. It's hard only having one thing when you're making all this yogurt to get our tummy better. So, happy day.